Hey everybody, it's Sam here from Lean Greens. We're carrying on with our Upgrade Your Nutrition challenge this month, where we are trying to upgrade our nutrition, not by cutting things out, so we're not talking about dieting, we're looking at how we can add in more veg, fruit and fresh food into our daily eating habits easily. So today's challenge, and if you'd like a copy of this sheet, just pop me a message below and I'll send it to you. We're going to try making a noodle jar for lunch, which is an easy prepare ahead lunch alternative. You could, if you're in the house, you don't have to stick in a jar, you can just do this in a pan, but for the sake of something that you could take to work with you or out and about, all you would need to prepare it when you're ready to eat it is a kettle. So we are going to start with, I'm using these wee miso soup sachets. You can also get jars of miso paste. You could also use a Thai soup sauce. And, oh, I'm going to get really messy doing this. I'm going to put my miso soup into the jar. Just comes out as a wee paste. I'm going to try not to get all over me. And the other thing we're going to add into there is a squeeze of lime juice. You could add lemon if you have it. Lime's, it just needs that sort of little bit of citrus to help it along. And a little dash of soy sauce. I've got tamari soy sauce here. And then we are going to give that a wee stir. Just to try and get most of the lumps out. Okay, now into that we are going to add our noodles. So my preference is actually for these quick cook medium noodles that you can get from Sainsbury's. They come, you get 2 little sachets like this in a packet, and I'm going to use those today. You could also use rice noodles. Now these, if you're going to use these, what I'd actually recommend you do, the medium ones are basically already cooked, but the rice ones do need a little bit of cooking. So what I'd advise you to do is mix up your miso paste, your lime and your soy sauce and a little bit of boiling water. Cook this for just a couple of minutes in a boiling pan and then put the noodles into the jar already cooked, because otherwise just adding hot water isn't going to be quite enough to cook them through. So into the jar we're going to put some noodles. If I can get into the noodles, there we go. I'm not going to need all of these. You could make 2 or 3 jars ahead. It's probably enough for about 3 jars. Pop that in there. So noodles have gone in. And then I'm adding just some bits and bobs of rice, vegetables that I found in the fridge. So I've got some finely sliced peppers. I've got some sweetheart cabbage from when I was making the coleslaw the other day. I've got some julienne grated carrots. I probably have some room for some more noodles, but we'll not make it too full. Some sliced spring onion. And then I've got a little bit of chili and ginger. And then because I like a little bit of meat in my soup, I'm going to add a little bit of sliced cooked chicken. So, and then that's about it. So what you would do is you would make that up ahead of time. It can sit in the fridge. You can take it to work, pop it in the fridge, and then when you're ready for your lunch, all you need to do is boil a kettle, fill it up, pop the lid back on for a couple of minutes. It will let the noodles and all the other things heat through, and then you're good to go. You could have it in the jar like a crazy Instagram person, or you could stick it in a bowl. But that is a noodle soup, quick and easy idea for lunch.